I guide you to log out of your YouTube on other devices. So let's hop into YouTube. Let's say your YouTube account has been logged on other devices. If you need to log out them, you need to tap on your profile, and from there you can go for the gear icon, which is the settings, and you can scroll down to find manage all history. In that, you can tap on controls, which is beside the history. In controls, you need to scroll all the way down to tap on go to your Google account, which will take you to your Google account page. And from here, after opening, you need to scroll like this to find the security. After opening that, you need to scroll down to find your devices. Here below your devices, you can tap on manage all devices. Here you could see all logged in devices of your YouTube. So you can tap on manage all device. From here, you need to tap on that specific device if you need to log out. So let's say I'm tapping on this. And from here, if you need to log out that, you need to tap on sign out. After tapping on sign out, you could be log out of YouTube on that specific other devices. This is how you can log out of YouTube on other devices. Thank you.